Well said. Unraveling the difference between good and well. Hello learners. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we are going to take a deep dive into an interesting topic that tends to confuse a lot of English learners: the difference between good and well. It might seem trivial, but trust me, understanding the nuances between these two can significantly improve your English fluency. So, let's get started. Firstly, let's delve into the definition of well. Well is a versatile word in English. It can function as an adverb, an adjective, an exclamation, or even a noun, depending on the context. However, today, we are mainly concerned with its role as an adverb and adjective. As an adverb, well describes how something is done. It answers the question, how did they do it? For example, in the sentence, he plays the guitar well. Well is used to express that the person is proficient at playing the guitar. As an adjective, well is used to describe someone's health. If someone is well, it means they are healthy. For example, after a week of being sick, she is finally well. Remember, well as an adverb is about doing, whereas well as an adjective is about being. Often, learners confuse good and well, using them interchangeably. But remember, good is primarily an adjective, which describes a noun, while well, as we've learned, is both an adverb and an adjective with distinct uses. A common mistake is using good, where well should be used. For instance, saying, I did good on my test, is incorrect. The correct usage is, I did well on my test. Misunderstanding the roles of these words often leads to such common errors. So, always be aware of the context to decide whether to use good or well. Now, let's put our understanding into practice. Always remember, practice is key in language learning. Here are a few sentences for you to complete using either good or well. 1. The cake tastes ____. 2. He swims ____. 3. She looks ____ today. 4. You did ____ in the competition. I encourage you to pause the video, fill in the blanks, and then resume to check your answers. I hope that this exploration into well has cleared up some confusion. Remember, understanding the difference between good and well is crucial for proficient English communication. Keep practicing, and in no time, you'll be using these words accurately and confidently. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video, where we'll tackle more exciting grammar topics.